Howdy guys, today's video I'm going to show you how I polish and clean a tarnished silver 925 accessory. So let's get started! Any accessories will do as long as it's a sterling silver 925. You'll need aluminum foil, a bowl, baking soda. Make sure it's baking soda, not baking powder. Also, make sure to use the shiny side of the aluminum foil. This method will only work if your jewelry is sterling silver or silver 925. Cover the jewelry with baking soda, then pour the hot water. You can also use distilled white vinegar, but I prefer mine with hot water. Let it sit for 20 minutes. If you still see tarnish in some part of your jewelry, use the aluminum foil to clean it off, and don't worry, it won't damage your jewelry as long as it's sterling silver or silver 925. Rinse it with clear water and dry it off using the microfiber cloth. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye! I love you all.